Here my CentOS 7.2. Okay, now let's see in the current swap space, which is on this disk, and this is the swap information, and this is in LVM, and here we have the swap disk here, volume. Okay, now let's see the device swap, which is a Dove CentOS swap. Since this swap is the LV name and CentOS is the VG name. Okay, let's stop all the swap partition, all the swap using swap of -a, and we will migrate this disk to move this swap disk to a new volume. Okay, I have switched off the swap. Now there is no swap here, everything's 0. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to remove the logical volume that we created for swap partition. Okay, now there is one VG. What I'm going to do is I'll create a new disk here itself, because I don't have another disk to create new partition. For testing purpose, I will create a new volume here in the same VG with a different LV name. The volume name will be different, and we will see what will be the impact after doing this change and rebooting the system. Okay, here I'm going to create LV create hyphen with the size 1 GB, and the name is LV underscore swap underscore new from the CentOS VG. Okay, now the new LV is created. Using mkswap we can create the swap disk, LV underscore swap underscore new. Okay, and now just switch on the swap with this volume. Swap volume. Yeah, swap on -, yes, will show the swap disk. Yes, it's done. And let's see. Okay, all looks good. I'm going to edit the first tab entry where we are pointing to the old swap partition, which is swap. We're going to rename to LV underscore swap underscore new. Just should mount -a to see if there is any errors. No. Okay, good, looks good. Okay, let's see the pro. Good. Yeah, and we're going to reboot the system, and we'll see what will be the error, or if the system works fine, or if we face some issues. Okay, this is the console. I'm running CentOS on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, system is booting up. Yeah, we have something new here, which is strange. Started file system check on Dove mapper CentOS root. I don't know why. Okay, let's wait. We wait for a few minutes to see what happens. This is absolutely not normal. We have some issues after moving the swap disk. It's timeout. We'll see what caused this issue, and we'll try to troubleshoot. It took long. Yeah, finally we have the error that we got. So it's clear, the CentOS swap does not exist. Somewhere it is looking for the old swap. Where it is? It's in the grep configuration. Okay. So we will need to do some update in the grep and the init ramfs. For that, we'll try to reboot again and see if this error is reoccurring. And if it's reoccurring, we need to troubleshoot, we need to fix it. It's definitely because of we have updated the FS tab, but the new volume that we created for swap is not updated yet in the grep configuration, which creates problems when booting the server. Actually, in the server, it is in the grep, it is still looking for the old swap disk, which is no longer exist, and it is complaining that error. This is going to be same even after reboot. Exactly what we saw earlier is finally end up with the same error message. Yes, exactly. So we need to troubleshoot how we need to exit from the TR record and let the system boot as normal. And each time when we reboot the server, this issue occurs, and it's not good to continue like that. So we need to fix it. Okay, system is on now. Now we will fix the grep issue. I'm going to go back to the putty session, and which is more easier to type. Password. Yeah. Okay. So let's see how the swap is now. Looks good. Only problem that we are having is issue with the grep. In FS tab, let's see if there is any missing. Nothing. It's all good. All looks good. And let's check the device. Yes, which is existing. So we have the issue in grep. There is no rest, everything fine. Okay, let's see the grep.com, where we have many, I think 3 or 4 entries in the grep configuration, which is pointing to the old swap disk. We need to update this and regenerate the init ramfs. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to find all the swap entries and rename it to lv underscore swap underscore new. This is the new partition that we have created earlier. Here it's pointing to the old swap partition, which creates the problem. I need to edit all the lines here. Underscore new. Is there anything else? Yeah, we have one more, no, two more I think. Okay, let's check. Okay. No, we have one more in the last, we missed that. Okay, edit. Yes, it's here. Yeah, now it should be okay. Okay, or the new disks. Now we need to regenerate the grep. Sync grep to mkconfig with the file that we just edited, grep2.conf. Okay, it's generating VM readiness. Okay, now it should be updated. So let's reboot the server and see if the issue has fixed. Okay, again go back to the console. It's stopping. Reboot is started, but it's started booting up. Yeah, it looks better. It boots normal. Let it finish booting and we'll check. We'll do a few checks, then we are done. All looks good. We could fix the issue. Yeah, it's booted normally. Let's check a few things before we close the session. Swap on. Swap looks good. Okay, all looks good. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.